Hi, and welcome to Authentic Heartwork, where we create art from the heart. My name is artist Celicia, and I will be your instructor for today. Let's begin. Start by adding black paint to the very top of your canvas. Slowly start to add white paint and blend downwards, using a little bit of water if you need to, so that you can get a very nice smooth blend. Keep adding as much white paint as needed so that you can cover your entire canvas. Your background should look something like this. Once your paint is dry, take your small brush and create the top part of a rectangle. Now in the center, paint a plus sign or a letter T, creating the window panes of your window. Paint each quadrant with your blue paint. Now, using your small paintbrush, add very thin white squiggly lines going from left to right in each quadrant of your window. Dab on some dark green paint at the base of your window. Using a napkin or a piece of cloth, take some dark green paint and dab it very lightly at the base of your window. Add dabs of lime green and start to blend with some of the dark green that you previously painted. green and lime green blends, and then you could start to introduce new colors as you feel is necessary. If you have purchased your kit with us, you should have all of the colors that we're using in this video. If not, go on over to our website at www.authentichartwork.com and you can order your supplies there. That's authentichartwork.com. Now it's time to add red. We're creating 3 flowers on the right side by scribbling on using our small brush and red paint on the right hand side of the painting. Continue to scribble in your paint colors. I'm adding pink here, which is not very bright. It is a fluorescent, but you do have to add layers in order for it to really be bright and pop. Continue to spread your color dots throughout the green parts of your painting, and eventually it will start to look like a flower bush. Using the same technique, add the color orange. Using our small brush and some dark green paint, we're creating the stems for our roses, drawing a line connecting the rose to the rest of the flower bush. Don't worry if your lines are not perfectly straight. Now we can add some yellow. As you touch up your painting and continue to make your masterpiece your own, remember, you're not done until you're done. Keep on painting, take your time, have some fun, and add any little special effects that you feel like your painting needs for it to be perfect. Thanks for joining, and see you next time.